Hey guys, and happy holidays. If you're looking at this video, you're probably decorating as we speak or looking for more ideas. Today I wanted to share this tinsel wreath that I made. It is the kind of piece that you can use over and over again. It just takes a little bit of time. So if you're interested in seeing how I made this, just keep watching. For this project, I'm using a 15.8 inch foam wreath, but you can use any size foam wreath that you want. I'm just going to use this size for today. I'm going to spray my foam wreath with this silver glitter blast so that I do not see any white. You can spray your foam wreath any color of your choice, just make sure it is foam safe. To prevent the glitter from flaking off, I'm going to spray Glitter Blast Sealer, and you know it actually enhances the color and sparkle, which is really great. Next, I'm going to take a tinsel stem. This is something that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I believe I used 4 to 5 packs to make this, and what I did was roll each one up. I found that it was easier to roll them up beforehand. It just made the project go much faster. Next, I'm going to glue them on using my glue gun. I have the glue gun on the low setting. This allows for the glue to dry much faster. I know it looks like it took a long time, but it wasn't as long as you think. I would say it took about 1 to 2 hours, and that's taking breaks in between. This is a great therapeutic project if you need something to do to take your mind off things. Does anyone else agree that projects like these are therapeutic? Now that I've finished gluing all the tinsels on, I'm going to add a bow at the top using this ribbon. I believe I purchased it at Hobby Lobby for 50% off. First, I'm going to make a loop by placing the ribbon underneath the wreath, adding hot glue on the end, and attaching it to itself. Next, I'm going to create a medium-sized loop, then cut the excess, place hot glue on the end, and attach it to the ribbon. Since I'm not good with making ribbons, I'm going to do it the easy way by folding together the ribbon on top of each other until I have 7 loops. There's no particular reason why I have 7 loops. It's just something that I want. You can do as many loops as you want. The more loops you have, the bigger. Next, cut the excess off and roll the end of the ribbon inward to create the middle part of the bow. Next, I'm going to take a zip tie and tie the loops together as tight as I can, and then cut off the end. Now all I have to do is spread the ribbon loops apart and flip some of the loops over so the pattern is visible. It looks like a bow to me. Now I'm going to place hot glue on the back of the ribbon and attach it to the loop. I decided to add 3 large ornaments to the center of the wreath by feeding rope through one of the ornaments and 2 on the other, then tie the rope in a knot. I arranged the ornaments in a triangle formation. Then I took the rope ends and tied it around the wreath in a knot. And that's it. What do you guys think? Have you made your wreath yet? Have you joined the new Facebook group, All Things Home Decor? If you want to connect and share ideas with other creative and talented individuals, join today. The link is in the description box below.